I am Dhananjay Sharma of class 9. Friends, today I am standing here to tell you about quadrilaterals, chapter 4 of our mathematics. Quadrilateral is an important topic for all classes. Now let's read about the quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral means quad. It means four sides, four, and lateral means side. So four-sided figure is known as quadrilateral. Now there are many types of quadrilaterals like parallelogram, square, rectangle, rhombus, kite, and many of them. Friends, so we will study many of them in detail. Now let's know about important points and important definitions associated with this chapter. First of them is, what is vertices? Vertices means the 4 points of any figure, of any quadrilateral or four-sided figure, are always known as vertices. We used to say it as corners or conae. Second is sides, which in a quadrilateral, when 2 points are joined by one line segment, is known as its side. Diagonals, the line segment which joins two opposite vertices or two opposite points, which are known as vertices, is known as diagonals. Now opposite sides, in a quadrilateral, the sides which are opposite to each other are known as opposite sides. Angles, the position where two lines meet and make a particular angle, is known as angle of quadrilateral. Now opposite angles, the angles of quadrilateral which are opposite to each other are known as opposite angles of quadrilateral. Now let us learn about the forms of quadrilateral. First theorem, the quadrilateral, the sum of all four angles of quadrilateral is always equal to 360 degree, and in of triangle it is 180 degree. So angle sum property of quadrilateral is 360 degree and angle sum property of triangle is 180 degree. Now let's learn about its different types of quadrilateral. First is parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are always equal and parallel is known as quadrilateral. In briefly, parallelogram has opposite sides equal and parallel. Now subtypes of parallelogram, there are 3 types of parallelogram. Just one of them is rectangle, then second is square, and third is rhombus. Rectangle means rectangle have opposite sides parallel, but opposite sides are equal. Not all sides are equal. Only opposite sides are equal and they make an angle of 90 degree. Square, rectangle whose all sides are equal and have angle of 90 degree and opposite sides and are parallel, this figure is known as square. Third type of parallelogram is rhombus. A parallelogram having all sides equal is known as rhombus. Only a parallelogram having all sides equal is known as rhombus. Now second type of quadrilateral, it is trapezium. Trapeziums have opposite sides parallel but not equal at all. Only one pair of opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are always equal, not equal but parallel. Third figure is kite, in which adjacent sides are equal and all of the sides adjacent are equals and opposite sides are parallels. Now in last we have come to the end of this chapter. Let's recall. A square, rectangle and rhombus are types of parallelogram. A parallelogram is a trapezium, but converse is not true. All squares are rectangle, but all rectangles are not squares. All rhombus are parallelograms, but all parallelograms are not rhombus. A square are rhombus, but all rhombus are not squares. So in last we come to the end of chapter. We came into the end of chapter. Friends, now let's revise in हिंदी. दोस्तों, क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स ऐसे फिगर होते हैं जो चार साइड्स के द्वारा मिलकर बने जाते हैं. उनके हर एंगल का सम होता है 360 डिग्री. उनके 3 प्रकार होते हैं, पैरेललोग्राम, ट्रेपेजियम और काइट. पहला होता है पैरेललोग्राम, जिसमें अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल और पैरेलल होती हैं. उसके 3 टाइप होते हैं, स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल और रोम्बस। स्क्वायर में सब साइड इक्वल होती है, सारे एंगल 90 डिग्री के होते हैं। दूसरा होता है पर अपोजिट साइड ही इक्वल होती है, सारी साइड इक्वल नहीं होती है रेक्टेंगल में। उसका होता है स्क्वायर, ऐसा रेक्टेंगल जिसमें सब साइड इक्वल हो और सारे एंगल 90 डिग्री के हो, वो कहलाता है स्क्वायर। तीसरा है रोम्बस। रोम्बस में सब साइड इक्वल होती है, सिर्फ सब साइड इक्वल होती हैं और वो चाहे तो पैरेलल भी हो सकती है। दूसरा आता है ट्रेपेजियम। ट्रेपेजियम में अब एक पेयर अपोजिट साइड्स का इक्वल होता है, पर इक्वल नहीं होता है, नॉट इक्वल होता है, परंतु पैरेलल होता है। फिर होता है काइट। काइट में एडजेसेंट साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं। बस अब हम इस मॉड्यूल के अंत में पहुंच चुके हैं। धन्यवाद।